Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Today I am here in front of you again after 2 days. I am came in front of camera because to practice speaking. Today I would like to share with you one beautiful story called A Little Girl. Okay, and before telling the story, I want to say something because after hearing the story, you can do comment in my comment box because how the story was. Okay, so let's begin. Start. One day, a little girl was sitting on a chair holding two apples on her two hands, and suddenly his mother came here and watched that his daughter, her daughter, taking one taking two apple. So her mother asked the little girl that, honey, can you share one apple with me? The little girl watched that his mother looked at the second one apple. So that's why he took a bite one apple, and then uh, again he took a bite the second apple. So seeing this, his mother made feel sad. So that's why, but his mother don't share his disappointment with his daughter, because he's showing his look, he don't never mind. So after few moments of silence, the daughter came to her mom and handed one apple and told him it is sweeter. So, and then after uh, incident, his mother realized that the mistake of the understanding of his daughter, it is the did made mistake, uh, and then it is not good. Likewise, um, people on to other people understanding by our level of perception is it is not good, because there are lots of people in our surroundings. They they make perception on other people is bad. So we have to recover this problem, because making bad things on other people, it is totally forbidden for us. So how about the story? And you can make comment. I would like to again come in front of camera taking another beautiful story. Till then, Allah Hafiz.